Yes, good morning, good day. It's good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's an afternoon, guys. It's a morning in Kenya here. So feel most welcome, guys, to this beautiful channel. How are you doing? It's amazing day, amazing afternoon. So I wanna welcome you all to this beautiful channel here, and I wanna say good morning, good afternoon, good evening as well, depending on the time you're gonna watch the video, guys. So it has been amazing. It has been amazing. It has been God's grace, guys, and things are just amazing in the village here. I told you I'm still in the village, and I'm just giving you the best of the villages, the best of videos in the village here. So just besides me is just this is called a jackfruit. This is called a jackfruit, guys. Do you know the jackfruit? Have you ever encountered a jackfruit? This is a jackfruit here. This is a jackfruit. I'm just telling you how it is. You can see how many they are. The jackfruit. Those who are jackfruit lovers, you are also welcome to come and eat the jackfruit. These ones are even ready, almost ready. See those ones that are almost ready there. Those are the jackfruit here. You can see them. See how they are beautiful here. And they're amazing here, So guys, today's video here is just about the final process, the final update on this building, the construction we are doing here, guys. It has been God. Actually, it has been God, and God has done it. God has done it, and actually the building is just finished, the final process. And today is the party day. Today is the party day where we're gonna now enter into the new building there. Today is the party day, guys. It has been God, and God has been faithful to us. And right now the building is just done here. Let me just show you. What's going on here now. They are making the veranda. They are making the veranda here, and this is called Nero. You can see what this guy is doing here. That's a cement there. So they're making the veranda here. You can see how the veranda is being done here, and you can see the lights were fixed already. So this one is called a sensor. This one, see this one here. This is not the light. This is not a light. This is called a sensor. Those who know, do you know this one here, guys? This is called a sensor. So this sensor here, it is the one that operates all the security lights. So the security lights has got no switches. They are not being switched on and off. So it is this sensor that switches on and off all the security lights. It is this sensor that switches them off and off. Like it is timed. It is timed, and when it is 6:30 p.m. in the evening, the security lights are switched on by this sensor here. It senses the dark. It senses darkness, and when it reaches in the morning by 6:30 a.m. in the morning, they also switch off. So that's the sensor there, and it's the one that switches all these security lights here. See the security lights here. This one's here. The security lights here are being switched on and off by that sensor there. So you can see the veranda is what's going on here. This is the only thing remaining here, guys, and maybe it's called is it painting or what? Yeah. using a paint now to paint it. You can see what's happening here, and we had connected the power from that point there to the house here. We had connected the power from that point to the house here. Maybe you can just have a view of the house from a distance, and we're going to do some landscaping here. We're going to do some landscaping. You can see how we are started doing landscaping, just a simple landscaping, just a simple landscaping here. We're going to plant some grasses and flowers here. A very simple landscaping here we're going to do there. Very soon here we're going to do a very, very, very simple landscaping. So guys, I want you to watch with me and see what's happening inside here. This is just the outside view, and you can see, you can have a view, you can have a look, and you're going to tell me how's the going. You're going to tell me how's the going. Kindly leave a comment. Leave a comment as well. Leave a comment. This now we just thank the Lord for this, guys. It has been long, it has been a very tiresome job, and a lot of resources have been placed here, and when it is done the way it is done here, then we have to thank the Lord. We have to thank the Lord for that far He has brought us, the far He has brought us. And you can just see the progress is on the veranda. They're trying to make the veranda, the veranda is so, they make the house look so strong, they make the house be so strong. So let us just get inside here and see what's happening inside here. Let's see what's happening here. Now you can leave a comment on the tile. This is the tile type, You can leave a comment on this type of tile, guys. With me, I think it is so beautiful, I think it is so beautiful, and I love it. So this is the outside veranda here. You can leave a comment on this type of tile here on the back, the one just entering the kitchen here, no, on the veranda there. So you can see, just enter here, you enter into the kitchen. So in the kitchen here we also have another different types of veranda, no, I mean different type of tile. So you can see the tiles in the kitchen here are quite different from the tile outside here. You can see that. So you can also leave a comment there. So this is the worktop here. You can see the worktop is done. The worktop is well done. So the sink is here, and as well the curtains. You can leave a comment on the curtains there. Curtain, those ones there, can leave a comment as well, and tell me what you think. What's your opinion there? So this is not the kitchen here, and the tiles in the kitchen here, they're quite different from tiles. This is not the dining here. This is the dining, guys. This is not the dining here, and as well as the curtain. The dining needs to have got that enough lighting. Enough lighting. So just pull these ones off this way, and you get the enough lightening from the natural source of light. From sun. Get the natural source of light from sun. So that's why you need a very big window for the dining. Though the window is not that big, but it is spacious. It is good. It is good enough to allow light inside. It is good enough to allow light inside. So what is remaining here is just painting. We're gonna paint it. That's the only thing remaining in this house here. Painting. This is the only thing remaining inside here. And we are also doing on the ceiling board. We are not done yet. On the ceiling board, we are also doing on the ceiling board. We are not yet done. Not yet done on the ceiling board there. So this is I'm just from the dining. And you can see the tiles on dining are similar to the tiles in the sitting room, and you can see this design here. You can see this design here. It is amazing, no? Look at this design. Okay, I love this one, guys. I love this. This is so amazing. I really love this. Yes, you can leave a comment there. How do you see? How do you rate it? How do you rate this this design here that I've done here? Look at how beautiful it looks like. They've made something so beautiful here at the center of the dining. Of the living room, I mean, at the center of the living room here, they've made something so beautiful here. Something so beautiful. And this amazing. And we also have another chart here. Psalms 91 say, "He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Most High." Okay, you can see these are the windows. The curtains here. There's also another thing here. Give God your time. Actually, this is really a very powerful message here. It's a powerful message here. Say, give God your time and He will give you His triumph. Happy moment, praise God. Difficult moment, seek God. Quiet moment, worship God. Painful moment, trust God. Every moment, thank God. Time spent alone with God is never wasted. It is the key to our strength and success. Beautiful words of encouragement. Let's see what this one is saying here. This one is saying, mimi na nyumba yangu tutatumikia Bwana. Yoshua. This one is saying, me together with my house we will praise the Lord. This is a Swahili word, but in English say, together with my house we will praise the Lord. Together with my house we're gonna praise the living Lord. That's what it means there. So this one is just the end. This is the door, and you enter to the other side. As I told you, the only thing remaining here is just painting. The only thing remaining here is painting and the ceiling board there, which are going to be done very soon. Which are going to be very soon. So this is the door here. You enter, and you can also tell me. See this one. See how they made this corridor here. This corridor also looks amazing. It also looks so good. You can see the corridor looks so amazing. The design they've made here, they've left some actually this design is so good. How they designed this point here, looks so good. They look so amazing. Looks so good. Can see what's happening here. Guys, we just thank the Lord for this. It is just an update I'm giving you, because we had started giving you an update on it, and we now want to tell you that it is done, and the only thing remaining is maybe painting the wall and everything there. You can see the design here, and the rooms are so spacious. The rooms are so good and so spacious. The rooms, so different room have got different types of tiles. different rooms have got different types of tiles, the colors tiles, no? The colors of the tiles are so quite different from each and every room, Maybe you can leave a comment there and tell me what do you think, what's your opinion, what's your opinion. So it's so amazing, guys, so amazing. So this is the main veranda here. This is the main veranda, the entrance. This is the main veranda here, and you can see the windows, the door, and everything there. And this is the stairs, you know, the stairs. Because it was a bit raised up, so we had to get some stairs here. Because it was a bit raised up. So this one is called a ramp, and this one is the stairs. So this ramp here you can use for maybe you have a wheelchair. If you have a wheelchair, you're gonna use the ramp here. But if you are able to walk, you're gonna use the stairs here. Let me just try. You cannot use the stairs here. If you are able to walk, then you're gonna use the stairs. Yes. So what's being done, you're just fixing the veranda here, you can see, and the work is still in progress. The work is still in progress of making that veranda there. So guys, you can also leave a comment there. Leave a comment there and tell me what you think. So my dogs are just here as well, resting here. There are 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Those are my dogs there. You can see they're just resting. And inside here there are the doves or the pigeons, and they gave some they hatched. Let me say they hatched, and I can hear them just they hatched here. You can see them, they hatched there, they hatched here, and maybe let me see. So you can see this one's hatched here. This now they are where the structure, this structure is where they spend, this is where they stay, this is where they stay here, this is where they stay here, and things are just amazing. Things are just amazing.